In this video we are going to learn how you can copy something by using shortcut on your keyboard, and how you can paste something by using shortcut on your laptop keyboard. So it's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all you need to do, you have to select the text that you want to copy. For example, I want to copy these lines, so I select these 3 lines, and now I want to copy these 3 lines. So after select the text that you want to copy, then all you need to do, press on Ctrl, and at the same time you have to press the C key over here. So first of all tap on Ctrl, then tap on C, and this text has been copied. And now I'm gonna show you the second process, that is how you can paste these copied text. So for this, all you need to do is just select the area where you wanna paste your text, and then look at your keyboard and press the Ctrl key, and then tap the V button at the same time. And as you can see that our copied text is pasted here. So I'm gonna show you again. So press the Ctrl+V key at the same time, and as you can see that this text has been pasted here. So you can do it as much time as you want. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.